Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring Python 3 is installed and added to your path so the command line recognizes Python. Once done, open Notepad and set encoding to UTF-8 to avoid character issues. Save the file with a Py extension. Write a quick print, "Hello," line to test. Why this matters: the Py extension signals the interpreter, and UTF-8 prevents encoding errors when reading text. Now run the next steps to actually execute and debug the file from your terminal. Open your command prompt or PowerShell in the folder containing your Py file. You can Shift plus right-click to open a terminal here. Run Python file name, Py, and observe output or tracebacks. If there's an error, read the line number and message, then switch back to Notepad, fix the code, save, and rerun. Repeat until clean. Make sure to use clear variable names and short functions to reduce mistakes. This iterative edit run cycle is how you move from idea to working script efficiently. Finish by running your script fully and adding prints to verify values where needed. Print-based debugging is fast and effective. If something breaks, check indentation first. Python is indentation sensitive. Then confirm file encoding is UTF-8 and that your path points to the intended Python version. If you outgrow Notepad, move to a lightweight editor for features like syntax highlighting. One key troubleshooting tip: when errors reference a module, ensure you installed dependencies with pip and are using the same Python interpreter to run your file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.